a large piece of meat just like this one can be intimidating, but my oven is going to cook it to perfection. In a roasting tin, I'll add some French shallots, lots of thyme that can go onto the shallots, a little oil along with a good pinch of salt, some freshly cracked pepper. Now this goes into the oven, and the best thing about this is the food probe. Insert it to the center of the beef. I like my fillet of beef to be medium rare, so I'm going to set the internal temperature to 55 degrees. That meat is cooked exactly the way I like it. And while it rests, let's make the sauce. Shallots back on the heat, in with the sugar, with some balsamic vinegar, some stock, and just allow that to reduce by at least a third. Look at this beef. I did tell you the oven would do all the work for you. That is a masterpiece.